Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ad certified advertising professional, Facebook Ad certified marketer, Bing Ad certified advertising professional, and I own a Google Party company as well. And we provide various digital marketing solutions, including Facebook, ads management, setup, Google Ads, Bing Ads, and SEO and landing page service as well. So, this is another video regarding Google Merchant Center account restoration service, and the account originally was suspended for website needs improvement. Again, a very famous and very known message, in GMC Google Merchant Center suspensions. Second from mystery presentation, the most famous is mystery presentation, and the second is your website needs improvement, and people get confused, and unfortunately, people try to do it on their own and they get their own account permanently suspended, which is a very bad move, which is why I recommend to hire a professional company like us to get these issues sorted. So this is a collective case study, but originally, we have to admit over here, the original time which was due was 2 weeks, and we went 1 week ahead. But glad we are glad that the issue is sorted. So all that ends well. So but the main issue was that it took us a little more time, which we weren't expecting. And it's unfortunate that because we don't know ourselves what kind of changes are required unless and until we do a full audit. So a full audit requires to do extensive things. We have around a 44 steps detailed audit where we check various things for all of the website. Even if your website is, even if your account is suspended for website needs improvement, we still go through the all of the checks to but because knowingly or unknowingly your account can is lacking on other issues as well. And we have seen cases as well that an account restored for another scenario and gets suspended in another scenario, which we do not want for our clients. So which is why it's important to get all the issues sorted. So I'm going to show you exactly what happened. So this was the original account state. Let me show you. You can see that the account has an error. Your website needs improvement. You can see the issue over here. And let me show you another image so you guys have a better idea. And this is an issue that the country is Germany, and let me see. Okay, the country is Germany, and the problem they have is that has a domain name that matches the uploaded domain, has no broker links, contains no placeholder images or text or product details and categories on your online store matches that you're providing your product data. It doesn't contain generic information and is not missing crucial information about products, provides clear and accurate business information, displays a verified phone number and business address. Majority of the people are actually doing all of the things required, but still they are getting the error. So which is why I had to do that. Even we had to go through the Google Search Console and figure out all the pages. And let me tell you that we even worked on finding out the duplicate pages and the duplicate content, and we get that sorted as well, which later help is going to help the client as well in SEO as well. But yeah, we did it. And because that too can cause troubles, but we did it for free, that we figured out those pages worked out. We did an interlinking thorough review. Sometimes people are using nulled or copyrighted things, which is actually a very bad move and can be an account issue. So what we do is we look on the theme, developer, source code for everything to figure out is there any error. Let's say if you are using a nulled plugin, and that too can cause your website to be suspended from Google Merchant Center as a compliant risk on the website, and you won't be able to figure out what's the issue because Google will show you the general website needs improvement. Even if a website is a slow speed, that can also cause an issue. And even if your website has the wrong social media links, or on those social media links you are not linking back to your website, or if that is not active, or knowingly or unknowingly you are lacking something, or in case if your products have information which you copied from other e-commerce stores, that can also cause an issue. And because if a website is a huge like 100 pages, we have to investigate all the pages for compliance. We have to check it out. We have to do all the tests on all of the pages. We have to do the coding test as well to see if there is any coding error, if there is any placeholder error, any errors on Search Console, any error on a website compliance. Then the Google Merchant Center compliance issues, including billing issues, billing details information, where is your checkpoint, how you are taking payments information, refunds, returns, everything, for Google Merchant Center. And then, we request you, we have a discussion with our Google support, because we are a Google partner company and we have a dedicated manager. We discuss regarding case to case, we ask their opinion as well on the issues as well, on what kind of a changes they need. We discuss on the competitors website, see like they are doing this, we are doing this, we have figured out on those. For instance, one of the client was having an issue, like when we were adding multiple products, the pricing was getting confused. Like if a product is fine for a single unit, but when you buy the multiple unit of the same product, the pricing gets an error. The price was supposed to be product A plus product A price, but it was, adding $2 extra. Okay, now this was an unknown error to the owner, but that error was the main problem. I'm just discussing about one of the client case studies, and that error was the main cause of concern regarding Google Merchant Center restoration, and the client didn't know. So we have to check all the thorough process, checkout process as well, any issues over there as well, any security issues as well. So as I told you that we have a 44 step checkout list, and I have discussed around 23 step checkout on one of my videos as well. So yeah, it took us 3 weeks. 3 weeks is a lot time to get issue like this to be sorted. We discussed on changing themes as well, a lot of stuff, a lot of discussions. And thankfully the client needs to be patient. That is the first thing you need to do, because usually whenever clients come to us, they are already exhausted and they are not in a position to waste more time, which I do not think is a good idea. But once we are done with all these things, now let me show you the account as well. So you can see the account, you can see from here as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. Are you ready for that? Okay, so if you are ready, then I'm going to show you the account over here. And to make sure that I have not any source code error, I'm going to refresh it, so to tell you that all is real, not any copy or something. So you can see that the account is no more having not approved, limited, all are approved, and 0 are under review. You can see that the ads have started getting impressions as well. The account which was holded for months before being granted to us, they have got this error back. You can see that there was actually a gap as well, because the account got in an issue again, and we did it sort for them. So you can see over here as well, all are approved. If we look on the needs attention, there is nothing needs to be attention like there. And we can see over here, in case of any error, they figure it out over there. You can see there is no error over here, everything is perfect, and the account is in approved position. And you can see the notification as well. You can see that there is nothing regarding the account suspension, which usually was a situation. So all is sorted and all is restored for this client. So this is another successful case study regarding restoration of Google Merchant Center account. Okay, yeah, we are slightly not much expensive, because we have seen that some of our competitors are charging huge. We are much cheaper than them, but we are slightly expensive than not ordinary cheap people over there, because we are a Google partner company and we have to maintain certain standards, and there is a cost associated with that. So for that we are, but it's worth working with us. And this is another successful case study regarding Google Merchant Center account. We also do restorations for Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads. Even we provide management, setup, optimized solutions, and even we provide landing pages as well for you, in case if you need it. So in case if you're looking for our services, what you have to do, you have to find the link in the description to reach us and get started with us, and we can work together. for growing together. I hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel in case if you are looking for videos like this, and if you want me to post more case studies, you are more than welcome to write something in the comments box on which you want me to make a video on. And once again, I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.